everyone, welcome back. So today I'm really excited to be trying to do a full face of makeup with all of the products that I got from Beautycon LA. I'm really excited to be trying out. A lot of these products are brand new to me, so really excited to see how they work, if they work, and really also excited to let you guys know about my experience. So if you want to find more about my trip to Beautycon LA 2019, stay tuned. So this face primer, it is tinted. It's looking a little pale, you know, on the pale side, but that's okay. I'm not gonna use a ton of it. Yeah, this okay. Gives you like a little shine, a little glow, you know what I'm saying? This could be cool. I personally don't really like the tinted stuff because, again, usually it's not quite my color, but this is pretty much fine. We'll see. Base, it was actually very creamy, so I do like that. Foundation, so shout out to Uoma Beauty. It was like crazy. Like when I walked up, it was like 3 women, and then I blinked and literally like 300 women all trying to get the product. They were so nice. So all the ladies that were working at that booth, you guys are just so beautiful, so amazing. So this was the full size that they gave. For me, I got the brown sugar T2C. Ochre brand was giving these out, so shout out to them. Okay, this color actually blended in pretty nice. This foundation is amazing. It feels so good. I really like the way it looks. Just gonna do just a couple more, get some of those spots, and it's actually really good coverage. Next, I'm gonna go to the eyes. This by Glossier, hope I said that right. It's basically like, it's called Lid Star. It's basically just an eyeshadow, but I absolutely love this color. It's like it's like a super light brown, like almost translucent. Milani mascara sample size. It was a highly rated, and this one is supposed to be like a 10-in-1. And then also I got a really cute mirror by Impressions, but they gave away compact mirrors with a bifold mirror, so that was really cute. I'm gonna be using this mirror to apply my mascara. So you can definitely tell the difference between the one eye that has mascara and the other that does not. So I'm going to be using this liquid eyeliner. This is by Luminous, and this one is called Persuasion Eyeliner in the color Nautical. a lip liner as well. So shout out to them. They were just hooking it up. Really, all the brands were hooking it up. So shout out to y'all. I want to put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I realized I can use another one because I got so many mascaras. I'm going to use this one by Maybelline Colossal. This was from Zoe Sweet, and this was their Intense Gel Highlighter. All right. So after the highlighter, I'm gonna move on to my lips. This is by Luminous as well, this lip liner. I'm going to put on this lip liner right now. And again, I'm gonna be using my Impressions mirror. I love this color. It is so pretty. I want to use this one from Glossier. It's a high shine liqueur, and it's in the color Blow Up. So it's a really pretty pink. I do want to see how this looks with the purple and kind of blend that in. It's like a super like popping kind of pink. I really do like that lip liner. I'm gonna use this lip liner again. And I'm gonna go on with a couple shades, a little bit of like a nude shade. So I do want to try this one from Maybelline. Again, this is the color Sunkissed. I want to see what that's looking like. Ooh, it's actually like, oh my gosh, it's like so beautiful. It's like red and gold and really nice. So let's see. Oh yeah, okay. Oh. I am loving the metallic colors, like the metallic eyelid, the metallic lip, the highlighter. All right, so next I'm going to be going in. Maybelline was also giving away a full size of their Tattoo Studio eyebrow pomade, brow pomade, like every day. I use it every day. It's awesome. And a little bit goes a long way as well. Cute. Okay. The next thing that I'm gonna be using is this Make It Last Face Mist. It's gonna be a matte finish, and it says that it has a 16-hour wear. So it is a matte charcoal setting spray. Okay, I mean, it is charcoal, so doesn't have the best smell, but it does say that it does like help control oil and like mattifies, and I do have really oily skin, so I think that, you know, this will actually be really good for people like me with oily skin. Finished with the face, let's get into the hair. Okay, I did get a chance to get a few hair products, a lot of shampoos, a lot of hair masks. Pop Band was actually giving away these really cool and cute head ties, and it actually has Beautycon on them, so it was really cute. Olivia Garden was there with her hair brushes, which were really nice. All right, I'm back. The founder of the Pottle was there giving away these really cool nail files. I was like, I started totally like fangirling over her. I was so excited to meet her because I was introduced to her product through Instagram. It's a way to store gels where traditionally, you know, you have like a one-time use container for it and then just kind of toss it out. Where here you can actually seal it with the Pottle, you know, keep it fresh and be able to reuse it, which of course will save you money. Okay, so y'all definitely need to check her out. Shout out to the Pottle. I thought that this was really cute and it was nice. She was actually going around and like handing them out personally. So I'm going to be putting on this lip pout enhancer, and this was also this was given by City Color. All right, you guys, so that is going to be my final look, how I got myself together using only products that I got from Beautycon LA. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. That's right, the button, it's right there. Go ahead and click it. You did it? Oh, okay, perfect. So as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.